Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm going to work on a belly band for one of my purple or violet pages. And this is from Kara's Friday freebie. And I'm going to, my pages are 8 1/4, so I'm going to cut this down to 8 inches tall. And do a little inking around the edges so that we kind of disguise how bad my cutting job was. Okay. So then I've got this kind of funky trim. Actually, I might need to wait to put that on. Let's see, I've got several little pieces that I had pulled out from Kara's ephemera kit, or ephemera stuff, and then a couple of postage stamps. And I know I want this one in the center, so where is my ruler? I'm going to mark the center spot. I think I want to put it on the diagonal. And I want to use that one in the center because that flower has, it's a yellow center, but it's sort of an orangey yellow. And with this trim that I want to use that has it has the purple, but it has orange going down it. So I thought that would kind of help draw the two together a little more. Okay, so instead of sitting there and looking at it, let's put that down. Okay, and I think what I want to do is something like that. But then Kara also had these, it's a strip of numbers with the purple, and then the numbers again are kind of an orangey yellow. And so I thought about putting a little piece of that at the bottom and at the very top. Okay, so probably these need to go down before the butterfly does. But I can go ahead and put the crown down. Purple is a very royal color. And the little postage stamp. and then we can come up here and put this little postage stamp down. I'm using such a random variety of things for this. Okay. Let's see if we can scoot that down just a hair shade. Okay, so let's glue strip of numbers at the bottom. And get that off. Oh, I should have inked that. Oh well. All right. Let's go ahead and ink this one while I don't have it glued down. Okay, and then put another strip at the top, so about to there. Okay, and trim that off. Then I can save that piece that still has the numbers on it. And then the butterfly can go there. I think I'm still going to wait on the butterfly because I want it to snug right up to the, since it's the side view of the butterfly, I want it to snug right up to the ribbon that I'm going to use. So where is my Fabri-Tac? Okay, so I'm going to take a gotta get my Fabri-Tac going. There we go. It had a Fabri-Tac goober in it. Okay, so take that up that edge. Just like that, and I can cut that off. And I'm gonna put one up, up this edge. That's got a little bit of overhang on it, so I'm gonna trim that off. Okay. See if I can get that snugged on there. I do like using the Fabri-Tac for this. Other glues would probably work to hold it down just fine, but I like the fact that I've got just, it dries very quickly, but I've got just a moment to kind of adjust stuff a little bit. Okay. And snip that off. And then we can just have the butterfly as if it's resting right on that ribbon. Oop, oop. Getting glue all over my fingers. There we go. And then that belly band can go right on that page. So I'm going to put some glue at the top and bottom. There. So now I've got a purple belly band in the purple part of my journal. That was very quick, very easy, but you've got a lot to look at. And I think putting that flower and those numbers did help the orange at least look not quite as misplaced, because I really wanted to use that ribbon. And there we've got a nice little belly band. Okay, so that's it for my purple page for today. What do we have left? Blue. So until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.